Welcome to Shanghai's Blossom House on the Bund. On our recent trip to Shanghai, we spent the night here prior to our cruise. We arrived early morning from a 13-hour flight. On arrival, we were able to check in early for a nominal fee for an upgraded room. This is the lobby area on floor 7. It's modern and contemporary. There's a space for multiple daily activities put on by the hotel for guests which are free to attend. There's great Shanghai skyline views from the windows, with the Oriental Pearl Tower and Shanghai Tower visible. The hotel features a small gym off the lobby area with treadmills and exercise bikes. This is our room. The first thing we noticed was the beautiful parquet flooring. On the right as you walk in is your aircon controls and do not disturb notices. And on the left is an open wardrobe space. Slippers and dressing gowns are provided. Underneath you will find fire escape hoods and a set of scales. On the right is a wooden unit with doors. Inside has tea, a kettle and water and what we thought was a minibar price list, but is actually for purchasing the bedding. We spotted this sign and it appears the minibar is complimentary and contains water and several soft drinks. The TV has many Chinese channels and no English or international options. The bed is firm and very comfortable. We had a great night's sleep. At the side of the bed is 2 side tables. They have light controls and one has a room phone. At the side of the headboard you will find plug sockets and USB ports. The bathroom is spacious and as you enter there's an oval illuminated mirror over a large sink. Complimentary toiletries are provided. There are 2 glass doors with one concealing the shower. And the other a Japanese style toilet. The room had amazing skyline views. The room was exceptional and we would recommend staying here in Shanghai. It was one of the cheapest, closest to the Bund. We took advantage of breakfast at the hotel. It was just okay for the price and it offered a range of breads and toasts, salads and dressings, coffee machines, fresh fruits, cereals and juices, duck and sausages, congee and toppings, squid, chicken, potatoes and beans, veg, noodles, eggs, and an omelette station.